not making an excuse, but we have other classes and some other same designs also. It's hard to juggle.
And I'm with him on that. We definitely, one of the problems we did have this semester was scheduling conflicts and finding a hard time to meet and work as a group. So we most of the time can find maybe 1 day a week for about an hour, which is not enough. But it's about all we can find as far as class scheduling goes. So
did you mostly work together, or did you split up the work separately and meet back up?
Well, we would be working together, but on different sections of the same page. Like most recently, he was working on the certain functionality of the carousel, and I've been working on the functionality of the event listeners. And I recently got mine figured out, so we're now both working together on the carousel part.
But you did most of your work like with at least 2 people together at a time?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you. The same goes for the map page. Michael and I would divide up, like, obviously, as far as the map page goes, there wasn't as many, like, divisions of tasks, so we would have one person on the computer. If we had to look up how to implement something or why we were having this bug, one person did on the computer, kind of looking at debugging solutions for the problems we were having, and we kind of switched back and forth. So we felt that it was nice to have someone else in the room to bat ideas off of. We tried to implement some, Michael and I tried to implement a cloud-based web developing software so that we could or so we could work on it like at home or whatnot. And it turned out that although
source control would be nice.
well, no, it's supposed to have source control in there, and we found out that it didn't work on that particular one. So like we would be working on it, and then I would turn around and come back, and then Michael's code would magically do that. So that was the main. We tried doing something like that. We felt it was better if we were both in the room, because then we would also understand what each person's code was doing. So when we get on, we don't skip 100 lines of code, so we don't like.
Back to the original question. Yeah. What would you do differently? Or you
talk less during presentation to show up. No. Yeah, I know what you mean. Basically, let's see. I'd like to have decided on the platform a little earlier. We kind of batted around the idea as a group.
Are you happy with the platform you picked?
Yes, very happy. Yes, I'm glad we went HTML5 versus the other. I feel like that's the way technology is going.
Are you happy with PHP?
Yes.
What other web programming platforms did you look at, or is that pretty much the one you just picked from the start?
That's the one we use. Yes. You mean like as far as HTML5 versus Android stuff, or like PHP versus?
Like PHP versus ASP versus some other platform.
We found that PHP would suit our needs, so we chose that.
Did you have experience with PHP before?
No, but we picked up fairly.
What did you base your choice on?
Basically, we knew what we wanted to accomplish in the assignment, and we determined that PHP seemed to be able to do all those things fairly easily.
There are no questions
left.
There's going to be a class here in about 4 minutes, so why don't we pick up the food in the conference room?
As the mentioned that the here to have a slow catch up in the project, but actually they are having a hard time to learn because of these technologies along the way. So it's not they're lazy or something. It's really sorry. My first student spent some time with students really get the feeling of
this guy. How you doing? Did you want this? Yeah.
For sure. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.